Hi, I'm Fire Officer Marshall. Hurricane season is here. Are you prepared? Here with the Barbados Fire Service, we are always ready and eager to help and serve you. But you have to do your part too. There is so many important things that we need to do in our homes to make it a safe place. In most recent hurricanes, many people's roofs were damaged. Have someone come and inspect your roof and ensure its stability. You can also make your home a safe place by trimming tree branches, cleaning gutters, installing window shutters as well as window straps, and most importantly, buying insurance for both your home and your property. Do not wait to the last minute to do these important things. Hurricane season is here, but together we can be prepared.
This message is brought to you by the Department of Emergency Management.